Deputy President Kithure Kindiki, ambaye inasemekana kwamba atakuwa akitumia 338.8 million on flights, choppers, charter, commercial planes kabla mwaka umalizike Juni 2026. Na nilikuwa nasoma hii habari, ni ripoti ambayo utajiuliza maswala mengi. Wanasema kwamba Deputy President atakuwa akitumia 338.8 million kwa flights mwaka ambao unamalizika Juni 2026. Procurement plan by the DP's office showed that he will spend 150.2 million flying on helicopters, 144 million on commercial airplanes, and 44.6 million on chartered craft between July 25 and 2026. Na the amount planned for flights, yani pesa ambayo yameangaziwa katika mambo ya kufly pale, ni 3 times the 100 million budgeted for Presidential Secondary School Bursary Scheme. Ni mara 3 ya budget ya Presidential Secondary School Bursary Scheme in the current year, or just about 350 million allocated to Women Enterprise Fund, which thousands of women depend on to fund their businesses. The revelation emerged at a time when DP's office overshot its annual recurrent budget by 219.3 million in just 6 months, spending 3.2 billion against an annual budget of 2.97 billion by December. Ni kitu ambacho kinakutia kiwewe kulingana na hii ripoti, ukiangalia pesa ambazo zimeweza kutumika pale.